Hey you guys, it's Kendall, and today I'm going to be lightening my hair. If you haven't seen the video before this one, then definitely make sure to go check it out. I will post that in the cards and I will post it in the description box below. That video is going to show you what I did to get my hair to look like this, even though this doesn't even look that great, but it's okay. It's what we had to do first. And what I ended up doing was using some color oops on my head, so make sure you go check that video out. In this video, like I already said in the beginning, I'm going to be lightening my hair. I'm going to be doing a bleach bath because, like I've said in other videos, that is the only way I bleach my hair from now on. It's less damaging and it still gets the job done. So as you can see, I've got some greenish tones going through my hair here, and up here we've got brown. So I'm going to be trying to put the lightener on the brown areas first and then hitting the lighter green areas so those don't get as damaged because they've already been lightened. Of course, under the top layer is a lot more brown, so I'm going to have to try to attempt to fix that. Hopefully I can get my hair to be more even. I'm not the best at doing that, but we'll see what happens. The bleach I'm going to be using today is the Redken Blonde Dimensions. This is my favorite bleach available by Redken. And I just feel like it makes my hair less damaged than other bleaches, but it still gets my hair pretty light. To go with that, I'm going to be using the Redken 30 volume. You want to use 30 volume in a bleach bath because it's going to kind of turn it to a 20 volume. So it's not a huge deal to use a higher volume in a bleach bath. Now for the shampoo and conditioner, you can use, any kind of shampoo and conditioner you want. I'm just going to be using the Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo by OGX. This is some stuff that my mom picked up from the drugstore, so I figured I'd just use this because it's cheap. I'm going to be using 6 scoops of the lightener. Now 1 scoop is 1 tablespoon. Usually I use 3 scoops, but I feel like I always end up making another batch of it, so I'm just going to start with 6 scoops so I'm not wasting my time while I'm trying to lighten it. Now, I don't usually measure the amount of developer I use. I just kind of wing it because I find that when I measure it, it never seems like it's enough developer. I feel like the consistency just isn't right. So I just kind of wing it, add a little bit at a time, and then stir it up and see if that's enough. This is going to be the consistency for the bleach. I don't want to add any more developer because when I add the shampoo and conditioner, it is going to thin out the product and I don't want it to be super runny. So we're going to keep it with this consistency and add our shampoo. I added 5 pumps of the shampoo. So that's how much of the shampoo is in my bowl. Now I'm going to add the 5 pumps of conditioner to the mixture as well. That is 5 pumps. Here's the final mixture that I'm going to be applying to my hair. I put my hair into 4 sections and I'm going to be starting on this side because that is where I always start. And I've got blue and purple gloves because I don't have any clean ones, so bear with me. But let's get to it!
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of guessing time. Harder. hide my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time starts down, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
I finally finished applying all of the lightener. As you can see, a lot of it has already lightened, so it's not going to be left on my hair for much longer. I'm just kind of waiting for the back to match the front more, since there's still a good amount of dark pieces in the back. I probably should have started with the back because that's what you're supposed to do. I think the front might lighten faster, so I guess next time I'll have to remember that. I'm just going to wait for the rest of it to get as light as the front, and then I will rinse it out. Oh my god, you guys, my hair is so blonde. I mean, obviously it could be blonder, but we're gonna just work with this because I do not want to bleach my hair twice. Not at all. So we're just gonna go with bleaching it once. I think it's light enough to do my fun colors over it. I'll show you the full view of what it looks like. I don't think I look very good blonde. At least not this blonde, this yellow blonde. That is all for the video, you guys. If you liked it, then please give it a big old thumbs up. Comment below and subscribe to the channel because in my next video, I will be dyeing my roots brown. Yay! I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Ow! Bite.